Okay, so welcome to this review of Consensus GPT, that is an artificial intelligence research assistant, so you can do research and write scientific-based articles. Okay, but first, what is Consensus GPT? Your AI research assistant with more than 200 million academic papers from Consensus available on ChatGPT Marketplace. Get science-based answers and draft content with accurate citations. Top uses of Consensus GPTs. Here are some ideas. So how you can use this GPT for data analysis and interpretation. Helps interpret complex data analysis results from academic papers, providing clear explanations and implications in layman's terms. This means that anyone can understand. Do science research. Do research for building things, solar cells, etc. Write about science. Write books. Science-based query resolution. Provide accurate science-based answers by parsing through vast academic databases, ensuring reliability and depth in information. Literature review assistance rapidly searches 200 million academic papers, summarizing key findings and trends in specific research fields or topics. Research ideas, for example, how to create the most efficient solar cell, how to create a DNA synthesizer. Give me a summary of achievements on primate CRISPR genetic engineering. Some countries are implementing genetic engineering on primates. In this example, we're going to create an article on how to create a DNA synthesizer. Okay, so I asked ChatGPT what is a DNA synthesizer, and it's an automated DNA creation, builds custom DNA strands by methodically adding nucleotides, enabling precise genetic sequence assembly for research and applications. Rapid prototyping tool accelerates genetic engineering by quickly synthesizing DNA samples, crucial for experiments, diagnostics, and therapy development. Also, for custom sequence programming, allows scientists to design and produce specific DNA sequences, facilitating advanced genetic studies and synthetic biology research. So now let's go and use the GPT. Okay, so this tutorial is sponsored by myself. I'm creating this course for learning how to use and create custom GPTs for the GPT store. The idea is to focus on actions. What are actions? How to create tech knowledge, and how to combine to create agents to empower your unique narrative and story from these revolutionary AI times, okay? So thank you. Let's continue with this tutorial. Okay, so here we are in the GPT store and we're going to search for Consensus. This is the GPT created by Consensus. And now we're going to ask how to create a DNA synthesizer. You will allow the action. Okay, so creating a DNA synthesizer involves understanding various methods and techniques used in the synthesis of DNA. Here's a summary of insights from recent research papers on this topic. So you see automated DNA RNA synthesizers allow for the synthesis of DNA sequences in a systematic and efficient manner. Each base unit is added in defined cycle, allowing for the construction of complex DNA sequence in relatively short period. Advanced DNA synthesis technology has enabled the construction of novel genetic pathways and genomic elements. And you can see here the citation for the paper. Custom built gene synthesizer designed for simplicity and speed can rapidly construct large genes. Genome Calligrapher is a web tool for whole genome refactoring of bacterial chromosomes. And finally, the conclusion. In conclusion, the creation of DNA synthesizers involves integrating automated synthesis procedures, optimizing DNA sequences for synthesis, employing microfluidic platforms and for cost-effective synthesis, and utilizing web tools for genome refactoring. These technologies collectively enable the efficient and accurate synthesis of complex DNA sequences. Okay, so as you see, here you have some data. You can create an article, and if you are building the machine, if you are in a research technology facility, you will need to do a lot of queries, maybe hundreds. Get the books, get the machines, get the metals, get all the chemistry, the lab. But in this case, if you are researching for explaining others, you can use this information to write an article with layman terms so anyone can understand, to do popular science and empower science for all humans. So thank you.